self-care advice for you this coming week, no, mga Scorpio. Kuha tayo ng 1 card for Scorpio, 1 card for Scorpio, self-care advice. So, you have this, no, massage, no? So, maybe ay masakit na yung mga katawan ninyo. May puro lamig-lamig na, literally, no? Ang likod nyo, no? Leeg, no? Batok, no? Talampakan, no? Something like that, no? So, you need a massage, no? This coming week, no? Mga, Scorpio natin, magpa-massage kayo, no? So, ito yung inyong self-care advice, no? Para ma-relieve naman tong mga body pains ninyo, no? Mga Scorpio natin. So, let's see anong possible lucky numbers for you this coming week, no? Mga Scorpio natin. Kuha tayo ng 3 cards for you, Scorpio. Possible lucky numbers for Scorpio. Possible lucky numbers for Scorpio, please. 1, 2, and 3. So, let's see. So, you have this, no, 41, 59, and number 4, no? So yan, no, kapag nakita nyo tong mga numbers na ito, no, within this week, no, repeatedly, no, so may marireceive kayong good news, no, something like that, no. And kung hindi man sa inyo, maybe ay a family member ninyo, no, mga Scorpio, or within your circle, no. So may positive or good news na marireceive, no, within the family or ikaw mismo, right? No, so again, no, kung makita nyo yan repeatedly, no, this coming week, no, mga Scorpio natin. So yeah, that's it, no. So ayan ang inyong reading today, mga Scorpio. So I hope naka-resonate kayo sa inyong reading today. So yeah, God bless you all and thank you for watching, Scorpio. So, yan, no, let's continue, no, with you, Pisces. So, kamusta kayo dyan, mga Pisces natin? So, let's see anong career situation ng mga Pisces natin. So, kuha tayo ng 3 cards for you, Pisces. 3 cards for Pisces, please. 3 cards for Pisces. For career situation, no, ng mga Pisces natin, no. So, yeah. 1, 2, and 3. So, you have opening doors of opportunities, no.